So today we're gonna talk. Got a full-on flopper. Through the magic of my special techno editing, you can have this. It's gorgeous. Cheap wigs are cheap for a reason, but the real truth is every single wig you get does not come out of the box looking good. This is slicked down. These curls are to be protecting the curl, I guess. But today I want to show you that you can take this wig and instead of sending it back, you can turn it into this. What do you think? Better? All right, let's talk about it. So, this is a very inexpensive wig. I got it on a deal. I got kind of a 70% off, buy one, get one. I was like, okay, let's have some fun. Let's see what we can do, okay? It's a Paula Young wig. It is called Zinnia. It was the kind of thing where like, oh, why not try it? It's so inexpensive. And then I got it and I took it out of the box and I was like, what was I thinking? What a waste of money. Look at this. I can't do this. So what can I do? What can I do? Well, I can't send it back. That's one thing. I mean, the postage alone would just be ridiculous. It's just not worth it. So I spent some time and I messed her up. So you can see here, I've broken everything up, right? So the first thing I want to do is I just want to break these curls up a little bit, comb them out a little bit, right? This is a regular synthetic. It is not heat friendly. And then up here, I am going to scratch in little circles at what tiny bit of permatease there is here. There's a little bit up here, but I really want to scratch it in circles. I am really messing her up. Now, this wig has a really weird, funky thing. I want to show you. I've never seen anything like it. I want you to look right here. There's a little bit of a lace. I don't know if you can see it. A little piece of lace right here. I'm going to take it off so you can see what's going on. Time for a shave. Check this out. What is that? Itty bitty little funky piece of lace right there. You can see, totally basic cap, except for that unusual thing there. So one of the other things you want to do is you want to take that and you just want to shake that baby out. You really want to shake it. Loosen everything up. The next thing I want to do is I want to get my hands a little wet. I'm just going to get a little bit of water. Excuse me. And I'm just going to crunch it with water in my hands. This is a great way to loosen the fibers and to get them to individually pop back up, clumping up and turning into giant barrel rolls again. Each one will curl back up. And I don't know if you can see, sorry if I was out of frame. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this sea salt spray. I'm gonna spray it. Let's see here. It is this side that I haven't done. Shake her around a little bit. I'm gonna get it dirty. This is basically what I'm doing. Putting some product in there, and then now I'm going to put it on while it's wet. Give herself an opportunity to get adjusted. Find my ear tabs, turn it around. Now, I think she needs to stay a center part. I mean, It's a basic cap. You can part it anywhere you want. You're not going to see any skin under there, you know. Although that lace is made so that you can see skin, I don't really think you're going to get a chance to do it. Really? Try not to eat it. Really get in there at every weft. Little circles. What we're doing is we're lifting and separating every fiber instead of being clumps all over. We're gonna look at how much better already. Just getting in there. This side didn't have as many curls. The curl pattern wasn't as high up. I'm gonna get in here underneath. Now, the other thing I like to do is I separate right at the hairline. I'm gonna separate these. This is funny, sharing this with other people, what you do in the privacy of your bathroom. The things we do for beauty. Now, already you can see we've got some body. Now, there wasn't as much curl. She's definitely lopsided. But I'm going to give her boost in body by getting dirty. Getting her a little more dirty. Just scrunching. Okay. Now, then we scrunch more. Now, a lot of people say, don't get your wig dirty. Don't pull on your fibers. Don't get your hands in there. You have oil from your hands will mess up those fibers. Well, what I have to say is, I'm not going to wear it if it isn't attractive. You got to do what you got to do, right? And if you're on a budget, you can just keep going as much as you want and get some control over those curls. You can let them fall where they will. It's hard to do looking in the camera, however, I'm serious that I would call this done in the front. I don't know what the back looks like. Let me take a peek. Yes. I can live with that. What do you think? Get her dirty. That is the secret. Separate every single fiber. Coat them with sea salt spray, a little hairspray. Touch it, separate it, get in there, mess it up. I think this cheap, cost me only $30 wig. It's awesome. Try it.